Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode with the Canning Nana. Today we are going to make my famous fried cauliflower. This recipe has been passed down for generations, like a lot of the recipes that I'm sharing with you guys. And my kids love it. I think everybody who has ever tried it really likes it. If you don't like cauliflower, like a lot of people don't like cauliflower, try this recipe.
Deep fried cauliflower.
You'll like deep fried cauliflower. Yes, like my husband said. Absolutely. Everybody loves this and can't get enough. So I'm going to share the recipe with you. It is super, super easy. So we're going to just chop the cauliflower up into like finger food type size pieces. So these are not too big, just bite-sized pieces that you hold. So you don't eat these with a fork and a knife. You just pick them up and eat them that way. And you could dip them in your favorite sauce too, like ranch or whatever, but these are really good. So what we're going to do is dip these into scrambled eggs that are here, raw egg. And then right here I have some Italian seasoned breadcrumbs, some of my Italian seasoning, and about 2 tablespoons of flour, just mixed all together with salt and pepper. And yes, I use sea salt, and then my Laurie's seasoned pepper, of course. And we're just going to go assembly line, and then we're going to fry them, and I will show you what that looks like. Okay, so what we do, I'm going to try to show you guys. So all I do is I take one of the pieces like this, immerse it in the egg, and then put it over here in the flour mixture. Yes, your eggs look good. My husband just made deviled eggs with mixture. Okay. So we're going to do that with all of these, and then we're going to take them over here where we're going to fry them. Oops. There we go. I've already got a couple done. There's some in the pan. So I'm just going to put this right there. And while these are cooking, I will show you what it looks like when they are done. You cook them on all the different sides, and this is what it looks like when they are done, and they are absolutely delicious. The cauliflower cooks as you're doing it, so there's no need to parboil the cauliflower unless you want to. It's a preference of ours. Yeah, like my husband says, you'll have mushy cauliflower, so it's best if you don't do it. Just cook with the oil on low and make sure that they're cooked to your likeness. You can dip it in sweet and sour sauce, in ranch sauce, in spaghetti sauce, anything you want, or just eat them plain like we do. And a tip, these are really good cold, you guys. So if they get cold, or if you have to store them in your refrigerator afterwards, just eat them cold. They are delicious and they stay crispy. They do not get mushy. You can freeze these after they're done. I would do it in a food saver bag. This way they don't get all mushy. I've done it in a Ziploc bag in the past, and they do get a little bit mushy with all the moisture and everything. So best to do it with a Ziploc or a food saver bag. Okay, so please like this video. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and share with others to help my YouTube algorithm get me back out there, because I was gone for a couple weeks and YouTube's not pushing my videos out like it was. So I need a little bit of help from you guys. And also, the word of the day for this video is cauliflower. Tell me if you've ever had fried cauliflower. And if you have, what are the likenesses? What are the differences? Did you have some kind of variation? Let me know what you think. And I will see you soon. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget the word of the day.